So this question we have negative 3x squared plus 5x minus 4 is greater than 0. So again, let's go ahead and solve it first as an equal. Negative 3x squared plus 5x minus 4 equals 0. So how do I want to solve this? What strategies do I want to use? And just to do something differently, let me go ahead and use the quadratic formula this time. So a is negative 3, b is 5, c is negative 4. We recall the strategy, x, or our variable, is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So I get x equals negative b, negative 5, plus or minus the square root of b squared. 5 squared is 25, minus 4 times negative 3 times negative 4, all over 2a, all over 2 times negative 3. So I get x equals negative 5 plus or minus the square root of what? Of 25. Negative 4 times negative 3 times negative 4 is going to be what? Minus 48 over negative 6. Well, that makes us think a little bit, because what I get is I get x is negative 5 plus or minus the square root of negative 23 over negative 6. No real solutions. Square root of negative 23 is imaginary, so this whole thing has complex solutions. So essentially, I have no cut points. I have no cut points. So I only have one interval to work off of. And I'll check 0. I'll see if it's true or if it's false. Is 0 going to lead me to a true solution or to a false solution? So I've got to plug that into negative 3x squared plus 5x minus 4. Is it greater than 0? Is negative 3 times 0 squared plus 5 times 0 minus 4 greater than 0? 0 plus 0 minus 4 greater than 0. Is minus 4 greater than 0? No, so I don't shade it. My only choices would be, if it were true, I would shade everything. If it's false, I shade nothing. So what I get here is I get no solution. Or sometimes written as the empty set. Sometimes written this way as the empty set. So there's many ways that we can write that. Now, let's look at the graphing calculator on this one to see if there is a way for us to convince ourselves that this is reasonable. So we want to see, where is this function greater than 0? This parabola, where is it greater than 0? That's what we want to know. So let me go ahead and type it in. Negative is this button here, 3 x squared plus 5x minus 4. Where is that bigger than 0? That's what our question asks. I'll try zoom standard, maybe. I'll try that one this time. See what I get. Okay, it's pretty good zoom. So here is that function. Where is it bigger than 0? It's never bigger than 0. It's never bigger than 0. So that reinforces our notion that there is no solution. So the fact is, we only had to test one point. It was true, which means nothing is ever true. No solution to that inequality.